Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead cleaning on an Epson XP-452. Cleaning cycles like this are a great way of pulling fresh ink into your printer's printhead and hopefully improving the print quality. Now, this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons on the front. So if you're not already on a screen that looks like this, you want to press the home button here to be taken to the screen. But once here, we're going to use the right arrow to move along till we get to setup. Once we got to setup, press OK. Then we want to go down and into maintenance. And the printhead cleaning is the second option down. So you press OK. Then you press this little diamond with a line in it, shown here, to start cleaning. Now, this cycle will take a couple minutes, and it's just your printer pushing fresh ink into the printhead, hopefully dislodging anything that's dried in there. And eventually, you'll be dumped on this screen with either the option to either finish cleaning or print a nozzle check, which will look something like this. And it's essentially a test page, shows your printer's ability to print black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Hopefully yours is looking better than that without the missing gaps there. And you can just carry on in this way, printing nozzle checks, doing cleans, printing nozzle checks, until you're happy with the quality of the print. But hopefully you found what you're looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.